Okay, so here you can see we've got our schematic with the biobrace. This is our suture coming through the biobrace. Remember, this suture is already passed through the medial, anterior and posterior rotator cuff. So now we're going to go ahead and make a stick knot, and all that is taking this suture tail like that, making a loop, and just taking this and passing it through that loop once, twice, and really with the regular suture you can do that 3 or 4 times, and when you tighten that down it creates this interference knot. See the knot there? And now that will not pull back through the biobrace, and you can cut off this extra suture tail. Usually you don't need the iPhone charger in the subacromial space. You can just cut that right off right about here where my fingers are. And now when you pull on this, it's going to pull that right into the subacromial space.